All right, y'all, so we're gonna get right into it, okay? Because like I said, you know, I have been, well, I didn't say that, but we're gonna be styling the GoldNTree high and low half wig and pony wrap. This is a 4-in-1 style, so you can either do the half up, half down, low pony, high pony, half wig, you know, whatever, bun, whatever you feel like doing with it, you can do that with this. And I specifically wanted the which texture is this? It doesn't say, it doesn't have a name. High and low pony 4 in the color 1B. So I got 1B or whatever, and I wanted something more like a kinky straight texture. I had just recently moved, so I don't have like my typical Outright Annie, which is my standard for a synthetic kinky straight wig. That is like my standard, so we're gonna see if this one meets the standard. Just like on the stock card right here, I already prepped my hair into the half up, half down style. So first thing, so you get, you know, 2 pieces obviously. Now they do say that this is heat resistant. We will be putting that to the test too. I just want to see if it'll do a little curl or something like that. This is the ponytail right here. It has 2 combs on the side and a comb in the middle, so that's going to give you that security. It has the extra hair on the side with the stretchy elastic, you know, if you've never seen like a wrap ponytail style. It's very soft, and it does have texture to it, as y'all can see, the little crimps in there. The ends are pretty nice, pretty full ponytail if you just want to do it for a ponytail. Texture of the hair, same as the ponytail, which I love. Same as the ponytail, like I said, which I love. Now it looks super long to me. This looks like it's hitting about a 24-inch. So my hair is not blown out or anything. I just put it in some plaits and combed it out. So hopefully this works, but that's another bonus of having like the kinky straight. It's pretty spacious, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it. So Duvolle sent me over 2 styling tools. They sent me over the flat iron. This is the titanium one. I think it retails for about $125. And then they also sent me over the curling wand. This is the 32mm, and I have been using both of these for my kinky straight wig, and the titanium is really good. The only thing with the titanium is that it doesn't is that it's not as heat controlled as ceramic, but I'm just gonna put it on 240. Okay, GoldNTree. All right, GoldNTree, we see what you got. We see what you working with, GoldNTree. Yes. All right, y'all, so this is style number 1. She is giving, I actually really like it. So out of the pack, I thought it was gonna be too much hair and stuff, but no, I really like it. So this is it up close. I do wish I wrapped the bun a little tighter, but for just throw it on and go, super cute, love it. This is how it looks from the side. But I think this is really pretty, and you don't even have to have your hair out in the bun, in the ponytail. It just makes it look fuller. You can probably just do a really nice, like, you could probably just do a top knot bun, call it a day. But for look number 1, I love it. So we're going right into look number 2, the regular pony. I don't have to do much. I think I'm gonna do a high pony, because that's typically how I like wear my hair. So we're just gonna brush the hair up into a ponytail like that, like so. Sometimes it's, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes it's hard to get these combs in. look number 2, the ponytail. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna throw on an accessory with it. This is a Destined Collection headband. I'll go ahead and link the Instagram for y'all. But yeah, I think it's cute with a headband too. So this is look number 2. So I just put my hair in a low bun, and I'm just gonna put it on. Probably leave this much of my hairline out because I'm gonna show y'all like what I do with my other kinky straight wig. So, and like I said, this wig has a lot of space, so I am tightening that drawstring in the back. I'm gonna show y'all how I do like a headband wig without an actual headband. So what you do is you take some hair from the back, and this wig has a lot of hair, so you know it's really not an issue. So what you're gonna do with that section of hair is you're just gonna create a braid. If you don't know how to braid, you can do a twist, but I prefer to just, you know, do some type of a braid. Then you do another braid in the back. Oh, this hair is so soft, the braid doesn't even actually hold. But first thing you do is take the first braid, whichever one you want. You can do one big braid, one small braid, whatever. And you put it right over top of that band right there. You pin that down. I take the next braid, and you're also gonna put that on your top. Alright y'all, so this is look number 3 with a braided headband. And it also takes away some of that fullness off of the wig if you feel like it's a little bit just too much hair. So this is what we're getting. I just want to see if this is truly heat safe. I have my flat iron on 360. Okay. It's not melting yet. So you can do a quick little pass. I do feel like the 360 is probably a little too high, so I'm gonna lower it to 270. I don't feel like this is as heat safe as they say, but you can run a little flat iron through the hair without it melting. Just don't go crazy. Keep it very, very low, so it should last you. Video, give y'all my final thoughts. All in all, I really do enjoy this 3-piece, 4-piece, whatever, 6-piece, 10-piece, whatever, however many hairstyles you want to make out of it is what it is. I think they give you a lot of hair, and I find that that's what some other of these like half up, half down lack. They're lacking either like density in the hair, or they're just lacking longevity. I feel like because this can take heat, it might last you, you know, if it starts to kink up a bit, you know, pop a flat iron through it, get those kinks out. I think it does match the texture of my hair better than some others that I've tried. I definitely would recommend it. I'll go ahead and leave the links down below. But as far as the first impressions, I really do like it. I think that it is worth the money. And I think that anything that you can get more than one style out of or whatever is pretty good in my book. And I like the quality of this GoldNTree. I never really heard of them before, but they seem pretty good to me. So go ahead and check them out, y'all. Go ahead and make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one.